Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Kindness Card Kit. This is a look at the finished projects. This is the amazing stamp set it comes with, and these are the components that I'm going to be using today. So as I open up the box, I'm going to show you some of these components and then we'll get right into it. I did want to make mention that this Kindness Card Kit is on special right now. It was $32 and now it's $22.40. Look at this little metal tin that it comes in. You get 3x3 little envelopes, you get some stickers, and then look at these cute little I want to call them mandalas. They're like little discs. They're almost like coasters, if you will. They're so cute. I thought what could be really neat is if you punched a hole at the top and like had fixed it somehow to a mobile contraption or like something to hang in your window. I don't know. They're so cute that I didn't want to give them away. So I don't know why I stamped so much, but I actually stamped quite a few extra greetings. You'll see what I did that in the end. I gave this card kit to one of my special new friends. Her name is Abby. Hi, Abby. Abby's 12. She is one of my best friend's daughters, and I met her this week. She's an amazing young lady. And I was encouraging her to get crafty. So now, hi Abby, if you see what I'm doing here, maybe you can do the same. You can show me up actually and do a better job than I'm doing. This time I actually did read the directions, not like last time when I did a kit and I didn't read the directions and I was kind of floundering. So this time I kind of read the directions. I really like the designs on the front. So cute. So here is the little sticker that goes on top of the metal box, and then I just slipped them in to their little 3x3 envelopes and then, you know, sealed them with a rainbow. Like how much kindness can one person handle? Those rainbows are super cute. And what I ended up doing with the extra sentiment is I looked on the inside of the envelope and I put the sentiment on the outside so I can quickly grab and give to somebody that I am thankful for. So you can see the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.